I'm a virtualization manager in healthcare. VRNI, vRealize Network Insight. Our primary use case for VRNI is to have an overall dashboard of east-west traffic in our hospital, catch anomalies or actually systems that aren't being utilized or overutilized or just anything that's not acting correct. It can help with that. And performance performs great. All right, the most valuable features of the VRNI is being able to catch those anomalies as they pop up, or if we have a question about how something's being used or if it's not being used at all, we can go to VRNI, review that, and find systems that should have been decommissioned. They're just sitting there, reclaim resources, that kind of thing. VRNI is extremely user-friendly. Out of the box, we can hook it up, point it to our vCenter, and Cisco switches too. It'll pull in the flows, and immediately, within the first 10 minutes, you can start seeing the traffic. Very intuitive. It'll catch the lore used or find the normal flows as it records the traffic. It's a very nice product. VRNI has improved the organization mostly with our NSX deployment. When we deployed NSX, we were able to watch the flows to create the rules that you normally can't see. When we're going through an application, you have listed ports, allow, deny rules with NSX, but with VRNI, you can actually watch what's happening. If something is out of the vendor, wasn't listed or not spec'd out, but still necessary, interfaces, engines, things like that. We were able to catch those without causing downtime to the production application when we implemented NSX. The solution has reduced, time that we spend on other products. I mean, like I said, with NSX, we were able to quickly find things that we would have had to spend days trying to figure out. It definitely helps us manage our network, provides that deep visibility of what's happening with the traffic. I mean, you usually don't think of where your traffic's, you think that this server's connected to that server, but you have your authentication level and other areas of other flows that you never even think of. And it helps us visualize that. It's a really nice product. Stability, VRNI, totally stable. That's all I have to say. I mean, out of the box, it starts running day one, and we haven't had an issue so far. VRNI, as far as scalability, so far, just give it disk space, it scales out. We have not used tech support with VRNI so far. Our NSX team that's helped us, they helped us install it at the beginning, and so far we really haven't any questions about it since the initial installation. Yes, I was involved with the initial installation, and it was very straightforward. Load from an OVA, give it an IP address, point to the vCenter, point to the switches. Very, very simple. As far as the upgrade on VRNI, we have not gone through one of those yet. I don't think it'll be an issue. We'll see when we get there. Room for improvement with VRNI, I think the next level is to maybe have some more remediation in where it hooks into NSX, and kind of like the app defense that was just brought up at the keynote, where it can, actually remediate and set, the application. Another solution instead of VRNI, no, we never even knew one existed until we saw it. I'd rate the VRNI an absolute 10. I mean, it's given us value from day one. We're able to see more than before. I mean, it helps.